What is up everybody, welcome back to the brand new video with an iPod Nano. iPod Nano was one of the greatest devices that Apple has ever introduced. Now here, the iPod you're seeing, it is the iPod Nano 7th generation, the mid, which was released in 2015. Now, you can tell the iPod basically, if you want to listen to the music, you need to use your 3mm jack. But no, now all you can do is simply can pair your iPod Nano with your AirPod. Now, to connect it, there are a few things you have to keep in mind. First of all, make sure your both devices have charged properly. And afterward, especially with your iPod Nano, make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Now, if you want to turn the Bluetooth, all you have to do is need to just go to your settings, tap on there, and here you're going to see the Bluetooth section. Tap on there, and then you're going to see the Bluetooth. Simply go ahead and toggle it on. Give it a second. Once it says it's discoverable, now or it's searching, now just go ahead and grab your AirPod and simply open the case. Just in a moment, now you're gonna see your device is gonna be found on your device. However, or if you're seeing that your AirPod is not just getting found by your iPod, then all you can do is simply can press and hold this button around some time unless you see your color is flashing, and afterward you're going to see that your AirPod is going to be found on your iPod Nano. And all you have to do is just go ahead and hit on AirPods. In a moment it's going to tell you it's connected. Alright guys, now as soon as your AirPod is connected with your iPod Nano, then you'll be able to listen to the music directly from your AirPod, okay? So now let me just go ahead and play the music and see how it works. Alright guys, as you guys can see now, the music is just playing on your AirPod, which is coming right from your iPod Nano. So this is how you can connect or pair your AirPod with your iPod Nano, and this is how it's done. If you find this video useful, just leave a like and tell us what you think about this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.